Hey, this is John with Spoiled Biker. In this video we're going to review the Harley adapter, also useful on Goldwings and any other motorcycle with a standard DIN intercom port, to adapt the intercom port into a standard 1/8 inch headset so you can use normal earbuds. So basically this is a standard DIN connector with 5 pins on one side, and the wire's hard soldered to a 1/8 inch or 3.5mm headphone jack that will work with any headphones. The microphone is not supported, and you may be thinking, well, why is there only 5 pins? On my Harley intercom port there's 7 pins. The other 2 pins are not needed for the stereo, so this will work on all models of Harley as well as Goldwing intercoms, and most any of the Venture Royales and any other motorcycle intercom with a standard DIN port. You get one at Spoiled Biker for around $25 with shipping.